Okay, here is your first phonics assignment on Seesaw. Here it is, i.e. Phonics Lesson 1. Click Add Response. Okay, you could click View Instructions. They are here. I also have recorded my voice to help. Highlight all the IE vowel teams, Step 1. Step 2, record yourself reading the words. Step 3, answer the questions and follow the directions. I'm going to show you how to do that. So we say I, pie, I, cookie. IE has two sounds, I and E. Sometimes you will have to try both ways to try and read the word. To highlight, you can do two ways. Here is the pen. You can choose any color. You could underline, and you can use the mouse or your finger. And here's the highlighter. Again, choosing any color. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Now, after you highlight, I encourage students to try and read the words. I, pie. Freeze, that doesn't make sense. Fries, like French fries. I, die. Eat. Ties. I'm going to go back to underlining. Either one works. Flies. Thief. That doesn't make sense. Thief. So continue through that and do all of these words. And then we would like children to try and record themselves reading these words. To do this, you are going to go over here to the record button. And you'll see this screen recording in 3, 2, 1. Pie, fries, die, ties. And you'll see the time going up here as they record. Do not click done. That means done with the whole project. When you finish reading from pie to Pierce, click the pause button. Now you can finish the questions below. Box the verbs. Verbs are action words. We say in our class, a verb. A verb is something that you do. Walk, dance, clap. So you can go through and think, can you pie? No. Can you fries? No. Can you die? Unfortunately, yes. Can you tie? Actually, she ties her shoes. Yes, you can. Flies. Well, they're the type of flies that fly around, but a plane flies. Okay, that's a verb, flies. And so on. Star the word that is a synonym for a loud cry. Remember, synonym means the same. A loud cry. Grief? No. Shriek. Oh, a baby shrieking is a loud cry. I'm going to star that word. Underline the word that has a homophone. A homophone is a word that has two different meanings. For example, there's a few here actually. I'm going to pick a different color. Let's see. Ties. Well, men can wear ties around their neck, but the little girl ties her shoes. That's a homophone. Okay. Flies. Well, there's the flies, the little bugs that fly around, and planes fly, or a plane flies. So those would be two homophones to underline. What is the other meaning for the word you underlined in question 3? So you could just choose one, like flies, and here I'm going to show you how to type. Click T, and you can move it first, or you can type. Oh, actually, I think you have to type first. Flies means, and you can use whatever the students interpret it. Flies means in the air above, or bugs. So that would be an example of how you can type, and you can move it. You can make it smaller and move it down here. You could also write it with your finger. Are there any multiple meaning words? Well, that's really similar to the question number 3. Do any of these words